Hi, Stefano Molea here, San Diego criminal defense lawyer and partner at the law office of David P Shapiro, where we help good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In criminal cases, there's always a process that involves evaluating legal and factual issues in a case, figuring out strengths and weaknesses, and thoroughly reviewing the pros and cons of available options for the client. Sometimes, when the client wishes to explore a potential plea bargain in felony cases, there is a question of whether the offer will get better or worse after the preliminary hearing. And that's usually referred to as prelim for short. Generally, prosecutors may tell you that offers are only good until the prelim. That's because they think that if they have to go through the effort of putting on the case before a judge, lining up witnesses, etc., that it means that there may be a premium that the defendant would have to pay regarding a deal. In sex crime cases in particular, where an alleged victim would have to come to court and testify, prosecutors are more inclined to incentivize a better deal before the prelim to allow the alleged victim the ability to avoid the experience. But of course, it's not always that simple. The question is there something that the defense can accomplish at the prelim or later on at trial? That's why taking into consideration the full picture view of the case helps guide these types of decisions. At a preliminary hearing, the defense can poke holes in the case and thus weaken it. It can convince the judge to reduce eligible charges to misdemeanors, and can also get charges or the entire case dismissed if the evidence is insufficient or if, for example, a motion to suppress is granted. So while the general rule might be that the offer can get worse after the prelim, it depends on the specifics of each case, since in fact it can get worse, it can actually get better, or it can stay the same. Hope this discussion was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Stefano Molea, San Diego criminal attorney, 619-295-3555.